konnichiwa, this is Tina and welcome back to my channel. Today I do have a whole unboxing for you guys from the Korean online retailer Jolse. If that sounds like your thing, then please go ahead and channel登録しちゃってください. So I do feel like it has been a moment since I did a kind of haul or unboxing video, so I thought I would share this one with you guys, and I'll be opening this package from Jolse. If you do not know already, Jolse is a Korean online beauty store that ships globally, which I think is something very much needed in 2020. They ship to so many different countries, which is really nice, and they do have surprisingly quick shipping. I don't know if that's surprising. I'm just so used to like shipping taking forever these days that I got this within a week, so I was like, well, that was really quick. I like that. I like it. They do have a huge variety of over 6,000 different products from 140 brands, and they do have a ton of really good limited time deals, especially currently during the Black Friday season. And they did send me this parcel to unbox and also was kind enough to sponsor this video, so please go ahead and show them some love. I will leave the link in the description, and if you do decide to make a purchase, make sure you sign up because you do get a $3 credit when you sign up with them, so make sure you do that. And yeah, let's get to the unboxing. So with this parcel, I'm incredibly excited because I actually got to choose the products, which is not always something that happens when you work with brands, so I'm actually really excited. So let's open up this box. This is what the box is like. It's got a ton of bubble wrap on top, and that's what it looks like. It looks like I've got quite a few samples. Damn, they go all out with their samples. Oh my gosh. We have a ton of the Cosrx Snail Essence Sun and All Green Comfort Sun samples, which I actually really wanted to try these. So lucky they just threw in a ton of those samples. And then we do have a bunch of other ones as well. Isntree, Max, CNP Laboratory, Face Shop. Ooh, I like this. They actually put in blotting paper. Everyone can use blotting paper, even me. Like, I have somewhat dry, dehydrated skin, but I always like to have some blotting paper, especially these days wearing a mask. Oh my god, I actually do get very oily under my mask, so I love that they have included a nice little travel size blotting paper. I got a pair of socks. Oh, score. Oh, I don't know what they call this in Korea, but it's like one of those gently exfoliating body mitt thingies, which is good because I just threw out my exfoliating Guys, I can't talk. I just threw out my exfoliating gloves the other day. Nice to have a new one that I can use. Also a, what do you call them? Nose strip and Snail sheet mask. I do not know this brand. May Island. And then also this. It's a hand cream, which I definitely didn't order. I did order a couple of hand creams because my hands are so dry from having to wash them so often and use a ton of hand sanitizer like all of the time. So I did order a couple of hand creams, but this one I definitely did not order. It is from Food-aholic Natural Touch. It is huge. Let's see how it smells. Oh yeah, it is kind of like florally, which isn't my like favorite, but it's not bad. It's not like super strong or anything. Let's see the hand creams that I actually ordered. So I bought 2 hand creams from Moly, mainly because they look like they smelled amazing. The first one is Yuja, or Yuzu in Japanese, and it's like a nice citrusy smell and I love it. I have an essential oil that's a Yuzu smell and it's so nice. Oh, I got it on my nose. Yes. And then the other one is Scent of the Day hand cream, and it's called Make Your Day So Sweet because you all know I love sweet smelling things. I hope it's like a fruity or like candy smell. Oh, that smells so good. It reminds me of something. I feel like it reminds me of like a perfume I used to wear when I was in like high school. It smells kind of peachy. Smells so good. Baby, smell this. It smells really good.
It's like a pastry shop.
Pastry shop. Well, Logan says it smells like a pastry shop. I think it smells like peachy candy, but it smells good regardless. Ooh, I am quite excited about this. I didn't remember that I got this. Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Airy Sunstick. I thought this would actually come in handy moving into summer for Australia. I know most people are moving into winter, but it is going into summer over here. So I thought this might be a good way to reapply sunscreen if I am wearing makeup. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. I like that. But it is a sunstick. I have one sunstick, but it was from a while ago. And I've definitely been wanting to try other ones because I feel like a lot of people are getting into them and they do seem very popular these days. So I am going to try out the Isntree. I feel like it is a stable, good brand that is affordable. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go for it. Ooh. I went on a little bit of like a Cosrx spree. It has been a while since I bought anything Cosrx. There's actually quite a few products that I have not tried that a lot of people talk about, and I am always willing to try Cosrx products because they are so affordable, and if they really work then it's like, well, win-win. They work and they are cheap too. So I got the Centella water alcohol free toner. I have heard James Welsh talk about this countless times, and I actually feel like I'm in need of a mist. I feel like I'm starting to run out of the mist that I've got, so whoa, I sprayed onto my mouth. Ooh, it feels really nice. And I'm probably not supposed to put it over my makeup, but I always do. Anyway, I'm looking a little wet, but it's okay. We'll dry up in a little bit. It's really nice and lightweight though, and I will say the spray is like a good amount. It's not super fine, but it is not blotchy, which I don't mind. I really do like the super fine ones, but I feel like sometimes you kind of waste product because they're almost too fine that they blow away before it like gets onto your face. So I like the spray on this one. And then also the Galactomyces 95 tone balancing essence. I kind of moved away from using fermented essences for a while, but I started using the Neogen real micro ferment one again, and I think fermented ingredients just, I think I like them. I think my skin likes them. So I'm hopping back on the trend of using fermented essence products. So I thought I would try this one out. I know it's another one that has been a favorite for a lot of people. And again, very affordable since it's Cosrx. Ooh, a big bulky one. Ooh, yes. So this brand I have never tried before, but I have seen it spoken about quite a few times now. Jolse had such a good deal on their ampules, so I thought I would try it out. It is the Peptide Shot Ampoule. I've seen the ceramide one be very popular as well, but I thought I would go for Peptide because I love the ingredient Peptide, and this one was so cheap. It was actually cheaper for this big gigantic, is it 100 mils? Yeah, 100 ml bottle over their 30 or 50 ml bottle. Like, it literally didn't make sense, but this was cheaper. Ooh, I don't even know what that stuff is. Can you see the stuff in it? Look at this. This is an ampoule, like as big as my face, and it was like, I can't remember how much it was, but it was super cheap. Can you actually get those little thingies? Oh my god. Ooh, okay. How interesting. Ooh, oh, this smell. It reminds me of something. Something to do with Japan or my mum. So it's very comforting. So this is an anti-wrinkle and whitening function. We all know peptides is really good for anti-aging, and it is something that is naturally found in our skin. So it's kind of like a safe anti-aging ingredient, and we know it's going to last forever because it is gigantic. Oh yeah, the Isntree green tea fresh toner. I know a lot of people love this, and it's a really nice like fresh lightweight one. I tend to go for kind of heavier or extremely hydrating toners since I do have dehydrated skin, but it is going to be summer here, and if we still have to wear masks in summer, I know I'm going to get oily underneath. So I thought I might give this one a go, and it is again green tea, which I love green tea in every form, to put on my face, to put in my body. I just love it all. I got two littlies here. I wonder what it is. Oh, yes. I got the Advanced Snail Peptide Eye Cream from Cosrx. Again, I love Peptide, as I mentioned before, but it is also an eye cream. I know a lot of people don't use eye creams or don't bother with an eye cream. I personally still love them. I think having an eye cream actually makes me take care of the eye area. So I thought I would try this one out, and honestly, it has had pretty good reviews so far. It is also very generous for an eye cream. 25 mils. So it's like pretty much the size of a foundation bottle, which I think is very decent sizing for an eye cream. Another Cosrx, wow, I did get quite a few Cosrx products. The Propolis Synergy Toner. I actually got the small size because I am going to be trying it out for the first time, and we'll see if I like it. Look how little it is. It's so cute. I know they also have like sets of all their toners, I think I was looking yesterday, and they have like a mini set of all like the Cosrx toners. So that's like a nice way to try out products as well. This one does have propolis and honey, which propolis is good for so many different reasons. How Okay, it's good for anti-aging. It also helps with acne and things like that. So, okay, we just have a few more. Oh, there's a hair tie. Is this mine or is it was it in the box? I actually think it was a freebie in the box because I don't have any hair ties with the little metal thing. So I guess you get a hair tie as well. Score! Oh, there's some more samples. You're just never ending. Oh yes! I'm excited about this one. So this is the Moonshot Micro Settingfit Cushion X. I have been using the Glassy Fit cushion and I actually really like this one. I am wearing it today as well. I like it because it's quite glowy but has fairly good coverage. So I thought I would try out another one of their cushions. So this is the Settingfit one, even finer fit and high coverage perfection with a weightless texture. I have not been wearing a lot of face makeup lately because I have been wearing masks a lot, but they actually might be rolling back those restrictions somewhat soon, which would be nice. And I will say I really like the puff that Moonshot has, the slightly like teardrop looking puff. This triangle part is really good to get into like your inner eye and stuff, so I must say the cushions are really nice and they do leave a really airbrushed look as well. So I would just buy the cushions if I could. Cushions? No, the puffs if I could as well. I'm not sure if they're selling separately, but if they do, let me know because I'm gonna buy them. Oh, what? It's 2 sets of them. I thought I only ordered 1 set. This is the Dr.Jart Porecting Solution 5 mask pack. I guess there is 2 of them. I have been itching to try this one for so long because Eunice or Yunya, she always talks about these and says it helps to really decongest your pores and your nose area. I will say though, something that I struggle with still very often, and I haven't found something that is more than extremely temporary. So I thought I would try these out. If I do them like once a week maybe, it can help. I've never really tried like the bubbling type of mask that this is, so oh, I totally forgot. I actually got a face roller from WellDerma. Ooh, one of those like rolling ones, and I'm really excited for it. I do use my gua sha or kasta, but it can be like quite like an intensive workout sometimes because you do have to put in pressure and it's all up to how much weight you press on it. Whereas this one, it is a roller, so you don't have to use as much force, I believe. Ooh, look at this. It comes all fancy like this. You've got a little card on it, all this warranty and stuff, has a little bag for it, and then it sits in there. And this thing has some really good weight to it. And like this one almost pinches your skin a little bit. Not like pinches. It's very gentle, but it like actually pulls and like massages your skin for you. So as you can see, I have got a little bit more of a round face than I used to. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. I'm not gonna do it too much because I don't want to get it dirty and mess up my makeup, but super excited about this. I will try it out and let you guys know how it goes. It was only like, I feel like it was only like $15–20 or something. It was pretty affordable, especially if you compare to like some brands who freaking charge a fortune. Lastly, we've got this cute little package. It's a little travel box and it is the Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo Sun Essence gift set with toner. Oh, a lot of people have been raving about the Sun Essence and I have not actually tried anything from Keep Cool. I'm not gonna lie, I actually thought it was a Western brand for a really long time because of the like whole Keep Cool and blah 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 thing. I felt like that was like a Western trend. Turns out they're Korean and a lot of people have, yeah, loved their sunscreen. So oh, that's so cute. So we've got a little set. This is the main sunscreen. I believe it is like a mineral sunscreen and that's why a lot of people like it, and it is like a cooling one as well, so really nice for hot weather. I guess it came in a little set with Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo Toner, 85% bamboo toner. Interesting. It's a nice little bottle too. And then I guess it comes with little stickers that you can apply to your product, which I love some brands doing this. I think it's like, it's just cute. It's just a little bit of fun, you know? But yeah, I guess that is the full, excuse me, unboxing haul. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. Let me know if there's anything that interests you greatly. Everything is new to me, so it is very exciting to try out new products. Anything you've tried out and you liked or you didn't like, maybe. We'll see if I made the right purchasing decision. And once again, if you are interested, go and check Jolse out. I will leave the link in the description. Even just check out their deals. They've got some really good prices on some products. So go check them out and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah.